Hey everybody, so I'm going to show you how to enlarge your silhouette with a Google Doc. Okay, so this is Jaden's references, and she told me she wants to do one of the silhouettes, which is perfectly fine. So let's pretend I'm going to do this one right here. So you're going to copy this image, then you're going to do a Google Doc. So go to Google, click on the waffle, go to Docs, hit the plus sign, be patient. Alright, now right click, paste. You might have to do that slightly differently because of a Chromebook. So here is how we can see. Right now we're at 100%. Let's go to 50%. I even want to zoom out farther. You won't let me do that. Let's see here. It will only let me go to 50, which is crazy. Anyways, there's different things we can do. We can move the spacing up here so that you have more of the paper to fill. You would have to do it on this side too and at the bottom. Okay. Then with the silhouette you like, we have to turn it. So you go up to this top circle and you can spin it. Now, I usually do this on a Word document, so this might look funky and different. Perfect, actually, perfect. So, what you're seeing in here is this white rectangle is the size of an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. Okay. You might have to make your silhouette smaller, bigger. Sometimes it's a trial and error with what sizes to print out. All right. So I'm going to, once I have it pretty large, I'm going to do print, and it's going to go to my printer. Now, I hope your Chromebook's hooked up to whatever printer you have at your house. And again, if you're having issues with printing, you can communicate that with me through email. Okay? All right, so I just sent this to my printer. Now what I'm going to do is click on the crop tool, and I am going to crop down to right about there. Hit crop, don't freak out, everything is fine. And then hit print and do that again. All right, so what happens is you will get a fairly large printout. Oh, I already taped this down really good. But that's how I got this. This is 2 pieces of paper, and I enlarged it, and then I taped them together. Okay, so let me go get Jaden's, and I'll show you. So here's printout number 1. Okay, here's printout number 2. And so then in class or at home, I would cut this strip right here of white, cut it, and then you could line it up. Try and match it up pretty good. This goes down here. I can kind of do it through the light. That's kind of cool. Alright, and then tape it, and there's your enlarged image. Alrighty, that's how you enlarge it.